What I'm going to show you in the next 5 minutes could absolutely change your life, so do not even freaking think about touching that mouse. Today, you are going to be shown my best kept secret. This is something that's absolutely revolutionary that I use every single day to make money on YouTube. So like I said, this step-by-step tutorial is only going to take 5 minutes, so I'm serious, do not touch that mouse. And the clock starts now. All right, so this channel that I show you all the time called Brainy Dose, they get 50,000 subs every single 30 days, over 4 million views in the last 30 days, and anywhere between $1,000 to $18,000 every single month. And as you can see, they're getting ridiculous views on these videos that are so freaking simple to make. And so what I'm going to do in this video is introduce you to a way that you can make the same videos they're making in literally 5 minutes. So here's a little sneak peek at what the video looks like.
This means that when we meet someone for the first time, we have to take into account these. Pay attention.
So now you've seen the video, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make this exact video in literally 5 minutes. So I'm going to show you how you can make these videos just like Brainy Dose, and the thing is, you don't even have to do any editing on the video whatsoever. So what's going to happen is I'm going to put a few words in, and it's going to spit out videos for me that are Creative Commons, free to use, and put them in the videos. All right, so now I have a notepad out, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to listen to this video, and I'm going to put it into my own words. Do not copy it, just put it in your own words the best you can. Have the words you type say something similar, but not the same exact thing.
When we are meeting someone for the first time, we are bombarded with information.
So in my own words, I'm gonna put, when you first meet someone, it can be mentally overwhelming. All right, so I took the script, put it in my own words, and now I'm here in this program called Audacity that allows you to basically record your voice. As you can see right here, it's recording the sound waves. All right, so as you can see, I just recorded my script, and now is where the magic is going to start, because they are actually going to pick Creative Commons videos and put them in the video for me based on the words that were said in this script. All right, so now that I've written out my script and recorded it with my voice, now I'm gonna go into this software right here. If you wanna follow along, there's a link down below. It's completely free to sign up. They don't ask for payment information or anything like that. So we're gonna go in, and for this one, we're just going to pick Cool Blue. All right, so now it's asking me for my script, so all I'm gonna do is copy and paste the script and write test. So as you can see, it's creating the scenes right now, and it's already done. It literally loaded in 5 seconds. So what it did is it brought in stock footage just like the ones that are shown on Brainy Dose, and it brought them in based on the words that were said. All right, so we can scroll down and look through their selections. So as you can see, difficult to figure out the type of person they might be. Right here is conveyed through body language and their handshaking. So now say you don't like this one and you want to pick a different one. So we could put in handshake here, and we can pick one where they're meeting for the first time. And so it's that easy to change out stock footage clips, and they all came directly from the script. So for instance, in your script, if you put something where people are drinking tea, it's going to come out and it's going to show like somebody drinking tea, for instance. So now I want to also point out that you can upload your own videos as well. So say you want to do like a LeBron James documentary or something like that, you can actually upload LeBron James clips here and then do the voiceover and the script and all of those things through this as well. All right, so now let's say we want to move this text. All you have to do is do that right there. So now we're at the voice script. One thing you can do is use automated voices like this.
Hi, my name is Luke, and I would love to read this.
But what I'm going to do is go in and upload this voice track that I recorded through Audacity. So now when I click preview your video, what it's going to do is match my voice with the text, with the video, and time it automatically so you don't even have to do any editing. And this literally is going to create itself in about 15 seconds. So now we have the finished product already. So I'm gonna add some music to it first. So that one sounds good. So we're gonna pick that one. Then we're gonna also add a quick little watermark. All right, so I just uploaded my logo. I'm gonna put it down here, resize it. And then what's really cool is you can make it like almost opaque as well. All right, so now let's watch a 39-second clip of the finished product. When you first meet someone, it can be mentally overwhelming. It can be difficult to figure out the type of person they might be. That is why it is vital to figure out the best way to communicate. Experts claim over 50% of communication is conveyed through body language, over 35% from the tone of your voice, and less than 7% is conveyed from what we actually say. So the first time we meet someone, it's vital to keep these 3 factors in mind, in addition to appearance. So there you have it. We basically just made a video in a little over 5 minutes that's just like Brainy Dose. All we had to do is change around the script into our own words and then go and record the voiceover and then plug it in, and it came out with a video. Now keep in mind, you can put in any music you want. You can put in any video you want. These are just Creative Commons clips and music that are free to use. The best part is they're completely unique videos, which means they're totally monetizable by YouTube. And the coolest part is you don't have to do any editing. Normally you have to go in and it takes forever to match the text and the voice and the words and the music all together. Here it just does it all for you. It does it right there in your browser, so it doesn't matter how fast your computer is. It doesn't matter if you have no clue how to edit, you can still make money on YouTube. And so that's only one part of the story. Of course, you need to know how to rank these videos. You need to know how to make them go viral. You need to know how to find high search volume, low competition keywords, find the best topics to post videos on, find out how to get your channel monetized, figure out how to make thumbnails, and a lot of other things that make the difference between your video doing nothing or going completely viral and making you a ton of money. Then you're gonna wanna check out the 2 monetization and automation program. And what's really cool is I just changed the entire sales page. I also added a payment plan. A lot of people ask me for payment plans, so I was able to add 6 payment plans. So basically every month you'll just pay 1 installment till you've made 6 of them, and then that is it. So now if you want to learn how to make money with your YouTube channel without monetization or using ads at all, check out this video right here and I'll show you how step by step.